Good morning, it's Michael O'Connor from Gesner. Yesterday I was in the office and I had a look at a magazine by the Convening Group called Farming Ahead. Their latest edition is on disc seeders, and Gesner is in that publication with our twin disc seeder bar. But I thought, because I'm in Toowoomba today, I thought maybe it might be worthwhile showing you one of our twin disc machines going through our assembly shed. So here it is. This particular machine is a 12 metre machine. It's heading down to Griffith in New South Wales. What I really wanted to show you was the unit itself. You can see there the twin disc. It's 457mm in diameter, and the depth of the seeding is controlled by this rear depth wheel. The downforce of the seeding is via this heavy spring, and as you can see, it's a single chute seeder bar. Yeah, we come across, you can see there's a lot of units here. There's 48 in total. Over a 12 metre machine, tells me that the unit spacing is 250mm. I know that these machines can come as narrow as 200mm in spacing. The unit itself is 90 kilo in weight, and best of all, for all of the customers out there, you can buy these units separately and fit them to your own toolbar. If you want to know any more about Gesner equipment, please get on our website. Thank you.